Welcome back, man, to Alphamantraining.com. So in today's topic we'll talk about how to not run out of things to say. So step after step you will increase your ability to not run out of things to say step by step. So it will not happen on the same day, it will not happen in one day. Like, you will need time, and the more you will practice, the more you will spend money. Time equals your energy. The more fast you will learn. Such things like car, house you can buy, but such skill do not run out of things to say. When you talk to people, you cannot buy instantly. Both skills are developed, and they will need your time and energy and money, because in our practice, people who invested money the most, they achieved the most, because money equals the energy and attention you will spend and will care for training. For example, if you invest $20, so you will not look seriously to it, and you will not change seriously to it. If you will invest, for example, 10,000 US dollars, so you will look seriously to it and will achieve much more greater results, because you will look to it much more seriously. Also, that price, that coaching fee, will be normal and will not motivate you to share that knowledge with other guys and make more competitors to you. So this is very important, you know. And by paying a normal coaching fee, you also will doing a good thing, because you're motivating your coach to work with you and to like develop skills. Yeah, so that's very important to do that. And you know, most girls, you know, so you will approach them even if they with a guy, you know. So a lot of our clients, even, you know, they approached like a lot of women who, you know, with the guys, because most of those guys, they just friends, male friends, and the ability to approach females when they have the guys, because they like that, you know. Once you approach them with the guys, they like that. Why? Because they see you're very brave. But you know, it's for advanced guys, so start with simple beginning steps. For example, read our book, How to Become an Alpha Man, carefully. Watch pickup online training courses, a 9-game program, How to Dance with a Woman, both basic free AMT products, which are links in below, and just apply, just go approach and apply that knowledge. First, you know, try just to go to streets, you know, just to watch for potential life partners, you know. And then, you know, next time, you know, learn some openers, how to transition conversation, and how to open one topic, step by step, very small steps. And then, you know, next time go and try to implement that step. So you will not run out of your energy and your motivation, because if you will set up too high goal, you will try to execute, and then you will see, you know, you didn't get results, so the motivation will drop down. Most important for you to maintain and keep that motivation. So invest into those free products, where links are below, and we wish you an amazing day, and change your mindset, change your life. See you until next time. It was Alphamantraining.com.